If you have noticed your diesel truck losing its usual punch, or seen a thick cloud of black smoke trailing behind you, you might be dealing with a P2056 diagnostic trouble code. This isn't just a minor sensor glitch. It means your PCM, or powertrain control module, has lost track of the voltage in your reductant injection valve circuit for bank 2. When we talk about bank 2, we are looking at the side of the engine that does not have the number 1 cylinder, and Unit 2 tells us your vehicle is using multiple selective catalytic reduction systems. Now, you might be wondering why this matters so much. Modern diesel engines are powerful, but they are also under a lot of pressure to meet strict emission standards. Your SCR system is the heavy hitter here, injecting diesel exhaust fluid, often called DEF, into the exhaust stream to heat things up and scrub those harmful NOx emissions before they hit the atmosphere. If that injection valve, which is basically a specialized solenoid, isn't getting the right voltage, the whole chemical cleaning process breaks down. This can actually lead to your vehicle going into a limp mode or causing permanent damage to your expensive catalyst if you keep driving it like this. To fix it, you are going to need a DVOM and a good scanner. Start by checking for simple things like low DEF levels in the reservoir. Then, get under there and look at the wiring harnesses for any signs of heat damage or corrosion, especially near the exhaust. If the wiring looks clean, use your scanner to manually trigger the valve and see if you are getting battery voltage at the connector. If you see voltage but the valve doesn't move, the valve itself has likely failed. If there is no voltage coming from the controller, you might be looking at a software error or a bad SCR controller. It is a serious code that can kill your engine performance, so do not let it sit for too long. Take your time with the digital voltometer and make sure every connection is solid before you start replacing expensive parts.